I have probably done a video on this before, but it happens so much I'm going to do it again. PMT, medical delays. What is the process? When someone says PMT, I'm going to file a PMT, what does that mean? Basically what that means is, let's say you get an order from your doctor for an MRI. I have to have it in my hands and send it to the attorney or the adjuster and let 5 business days lapse. And then if they don't authorize it, I can file what's called a petition for medical treatment, or a PMT. At that point, it gets put on a judge's calendar for a conference call, maybe like 5 days later. And before the conference call, they can file what's called a PMT authorization authorizing it, or a PMT controvert denying it, or we show up to the conference call with the judge and they explain why it hasn't been authorized. Now, a lot of times, literally like 1 minute before the conference call, I'll get a PMT auth filed and it'll be authorized, which is great. It's kind of annoying that we had to go through that, but at least it's authorized. Sometimes you get a controvert. And what does that mean? Well, if they controvert it, or if you go, what can happen is you can go and have the conference call, the judge might order it. Okay, you think, oh, that's great, they've ordered it. Well, not so fast. They can still file what's called a request for hearing disputing the order. And then you're right back at square one where you have to file for a hearing. And that would be the same process if they filed a PMT controvert. And filing for a hearing, the issues take months to resolve. So even though we have an expedited process for medical treatment, it's really only expedited if they authorize it.